But I decided to take all the ballast out because I measured the wind and it was varying then between 11 and 14, so it's actually quite light all of a sudden. So this should be better. There we go, look, climbing up nicely now. Oh, that's better. Oh, what a pleasant afternoon this has turned out to be. I'm well and truly wrapped up because the northerly wind is freezing cold, so I'm glad it's lightened off. Ah, that's nice. Nice bit of lift out there. I'm just pushing further and further away. This is when the wind comes at a nice direction here, in that it comes to the left of the hill that I'm facing. So you don't get too much turbulence from that hill opposite, because it sort of misses it, comes to the side. Very nice. Ah, I'm glad I repaired this. I'm not going to do anything clever. Well, I can't do anything clever, but I don't want to risk anything today. Let's climb up on that lift. I love it when that happens. I mean, this is the amazing thing. It's just a little hill and I'm a long way out from it now. And the lift is out there. Oh, am I glad I repaired this glider. It's lovely to fly. Absolutely lovely. Right, there's a little bit of calm has come along. I think it's a good opportunity for me to bring the little bird in for a safe landing. It's certainly getting lower. Right, just go right over here. Turn. Let's see. It's not going to come down. Perhaps I'll have to use the spoiler-ons. Oh, okay, I got it down, but just behind that little bump. That's getting really cold now. I came with lots of layers. As I said in the flight, I'm really happy that I repaired the Starlet. She was lovely to fly.